Welcome to my visual tour. For more details on this property or to schedule an appointment to personally preview, be sure to contact a realtor today. Are you ready to move into this great 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-car garage home located on a corner lot with 2 driveways in Brooksville, Florida? It's ready for you. With modern stylish recently remodeled kitchen and baths. Great open floor plan make this a must-see, plus newer 5-shear 2.5-ton AC installed in May 2021. Fenced yard, screen lanai and shed, and all this is close to shopping and restaurants with a quick commute to Tampa and the Gulf of Mexico beaches.